In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Zoho Invoice. Now, first, I want you to open Zoho, log in to your dashboard, come here at the top right, click on this gear cog for your settings. Then I want you to scroll down, and under customization, I want you to go ahead and click on PDF templates. Okay, now here, make sure you are under invoices, then come here, click on edit. Once you have done that, guys, I want you to come here, click on this option. Okay, right here, we have other details. And under other details, we have signature. So make sure you toggle this one on. And you can make the label whatever you want it to say. So I'll just leave it as authorized signature. If you want the person's name, you can type it right here as well. And what we need is a signature image. So what I'll do, I'll come here to signwell.com. It's free, completely free online. You can just come here and draw your signature, or you could even type it out. So if I come back here, we have the option to either draw or type it out, okay? And you can choose from several different handwriting fonts. I'll just go ahead and draw it. So we'll go ahead and do William. There we go. Put it on my dot right there. And you can choose the color, whatever you want. And if you want, you can use the dropper tool as well. I'll just choose black, click on save, and then toggle this one on for transparent background. Go ahead and download this. And as you can see, it will download here at the top right in just a second. And all you need to do, let me show you what it actually looks like though. So I'll open it in this new tab. So that's what the signature looks like. I'll go ahead and drag and drop this right here into Zoho. Okay. And you'll be able to also see a preview of what it would look like. So let me go ahead and refresh this preview. So we can go ahead and see. So here will be the authorized signature. Okay. Now let's go ahead and save this. Here we go. So we have the new template. So what I need to do is go ahead and open up a new invoice. And let me show you what this would look like. So I'll just create a new one. All right. So I'll just go ahead and save this one. And then let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So if I scroll down here, as you can see, we have it signed. You can always go ahead and get this as a PDF. There we go. Let me open it up in a new tab for you. And that is how, guys, you can go ahead and add a signature in your Zoho invoice.